Welcome to Quick Tips, brought to you by Mike's Plumbing of Southwest Florida. Today we're looking at 3 electric tank type water heaters from Rheem. First, we're going to look at the Rheem Professional Classic Series water heater. This is your standard electric water heater and, without a doubt, the most budget-friendly up front. This water heater retails for just $709 and has a 50-gallon capacity. Though it's gone through some changes over the decades, this is the same type of tank water heater that's been produced since the 1930s. Your standard tank water heater is filled with cold water through the dip tube. Electric heating elements then heat the water to temperature. A standard tank water heater lasts between 8 to 12 years, usually depending on the condition of the anode rod. The anode rod is a sacrificial magnesium or aluminum rod installed at the top of the tank. As the anode rod deteriorates, water begins to attack the steel walls of the water heater, eventually causing them to rust and fail. This water heater has an estimated energy cost of $419 per year. Next, we're going to look at the Rheem Marathon. Boasted as the last water heater you'll ever buy, this water heater features a lifetime warranty on the tank. The Marathon tank is constructed with a seamless polybutylene shell rather than a steel tank. 4 inches of foam insulation help maintain heat and save on energy. The Marathon retails for about $1,400 and has a yearly estimated energy cost of $428. This is slightly more than a standard tank-type water heater, but it may be worth it considering this unit is expected to last forever. Lastly, we're going to look at the Rheem Prestige hybrid water heater. This unit also retails for about $1,400. However, the estimated yearly energy cost on this water heater is an amazing $110. What sets the Rheem Prestige Hybrid apart? There's a compressor unit on top of the hybrid water heater. As the fan pulls air through the heat pump, heat is absorbed into the coolant and cool air is expelled. The refrigerant is pumped through a condenser where the refrigerant is heated. The condenser tubing is wrapped around the water heater tank where heat from the refrigerant is transferred to the water. That means this water heater will both help cool your garage, which is a huge bonus in Southwest Florida, and save you a substantial amount of money over time on energy costs. Let's take a minute and see how these water heaters compare to each other over a 20-year period. For a starting point, we had to come up with an installed price. This is just an average and could vary a bit depending on your location and individual installation needs, but I like it as a good average for the Naples, Florida area. For the standard Professional Classic Series, you're looking at about $1,200 installed. For the Marathon with the lifetime warranty, you're looking at $2,399 installed. And the Prestige Hybrid heater is clearly the highest at $2,450. Now let's look at the total first-year cost, which reflects the first year of electric based on the energy ratings and the installation price combined. As you can see, the hybrid water heater is already reflecting less than the Marathon heater at $2,560. The Marathon comes in at $2,870, and the Professional Classic is up to $1,619 with the first-year electric added in. Now let's jump ahead a bit to the 10-year mark. Again, we've added in the energy estimates for each year, and now we can really see a big difference. The hybrid water heater is coming in at almost half the cost. We have the Professional Classic at $5,390 and the Marathon at $6,722. The Prestige Hybrid is only $3,550. We can really see the difference that the $110 energy rating is making. We also want to keep in mind that we're officially about ready to change out that Professional Classic Series again. In fact, if you're in a condo in Naples, you may be required to change that unit out at the 10-year point, whether it's bad or not. Next, let's jump ahead to the 15-year mark. Assuming everything made it this long, we're at $7,485 for the Professional Classic, $8,862 for the Lifetime Marathon heater, and still just $4,100 for the Prestige Hybrid water heater. Now let's just say the Professional Classic went at the 10-year mark for whatever reason. Let's add the installation cost to that number for our replacement water heater. Now our Professional Classic Series is at $10,780, compared to the Marathon showing its lifetime value finally at $8,862. But just to play devil's advocate, what if we also replaced our hybrid at the 10-year mark? Even at $7,100, the hybrid is still very much proving to be the best long-term investment. Finally, let's jump ahead to the 20-year mark. We're still reflecting changing out both the Classic Series and the Hybrid heater. As you can see, the Hybrid is the clear winner, coming in at $7,650 for a total savings of $5,225 over the Professional Classic Series. And remember that we're again at the 10-year mark for that unit, so it'll likely need to be replaced again. The Marathon comes in second place, but remember you may never have to replace that unit, so I have to think in enough time you'll build some additional value there. That wraps up this episode of Quick Tips. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back soon with more tips and DIY tutorials to save you money. If you live in the greater Naples, Florida area and would like more information on any of the above products, you can reach us at 239-450-2166 or follow the link below. Remember, if you're looking for fast, friendly plumbing services in the Naples area, call Mike's Plumbing of Southwest Florida. Family owned and operated since 1996.